Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One just step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to post in Carousel post on your LinkedIn. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Two ways to post Carousel post in your LinkedIn is to post a PDF or multiple pictures. To do that, on the bottom of your screen, you can see the post option right below My Network and notification. Tap on it. Now you have to select the gallery like icon and select multiple pictures. Once you do that, select add. There you can edit it through text, tag people, or add stickers or reorder them. Now once you do that, tap on next and select post. If you don't want to post in pictures, you can also post PDF. To do that, tap on post again and select three dot menu. Now you have to click document and upload the document in PDF form to upload and Carousel post. And guys, that's it. That's how you post Carousel post on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.